Hi everyone, I'm Julie with Stitches of Love Quilting, and I want to introduce you to our cute new Calendar Girls project bag. Now this we designed exclusively for you as a club member in the Calendar Girls. And what do you receive with this? Well, you get this fabric that is designed by Lindsay Ostrom, who designed the Calendar Girls. This is her first fabric collection, and there's cute little girls. You receive them. Also the coordinating fabric for the side pieces on the front, which is also her fabric. It's the same as the back panel. You will receive the lining fabric, which in this case is a cute little gray crimp that matches so nicely, and binding fabric and a zipper. The only thing you'll need to add to it is your thread and your batting and your little bit of time to make it. It is so much fun. Now, why do you need this? Well, because as we all know, we love to stitch our girls, and as we're stitching our girls, sometimes we get interrupted. So when you get interrupted, you can put everything in your bag, zip it up, and it's ready to go with you as you have to run off to sit at a doctor's office or soccer practice or ballet practice or wherever you happen to be where you can pull your bag out and stitch for just a few minutes. So we hope that you will enjoy this cute little bag, and if you'd like one, just let us know.